Oh, hey guys. So this is the result of a couple of funding projects, fundraisers we held over the last 3 or 4 years. Me and my the team that I'm on built this, came up with this. I mean, we didn't have that much funding. It only took a few years. Probably about 12 people on full salary to develop this. So we could have done better if we had more, but this is what we came up with. So you got a photoresistor right there, and that's a little sensor basically, and this is our state of the art servo mount, okay? Uh, and the shader, we developed this material at the lab. It's classified though, I can't really say much more. This is a code. I can't show you that, sorry. Uh, but anyway, let me just run it here, do a little test. Alright, so as we can see, the photoresistor is currently, reading such that the LED is on, and well, let's just shoot. I forget how to use this. Alright, here we go. Serial monitor. Cereal sounds pretty good right now, actually. Maybe Cocoa Puffs. Anyway, we got. Alright, so the bottom number right here is the LED level, and 440 about there is the light level. Okay, lower is higher, higher is lower. Makes a lot of sense. Okay, so this little guy is going to try to stay at the same level no matter what. Watch what happens if I kind of shade it. See that LED brighten up, and we can look. LED is now lit at 130 or so. Light levels staying steady at 450. Now, if we go ahead and shine a light on the resistor photo sensor, that little guy swings over just like that to give it some little shade.